Say hi, kids.
Hello.
Good morning.
New York.
Good morning.
Day 4, 5.
Day 8.
Day 9.
Good morning. Good morning, Paul. Let me see your shirt. Good morning.
Hey.
Hey. This is the real us.
Emotionless. Fine.
Living like we ain't got time.
Spaz on the ass.
Ban me quick, cause I need you.
We'll take the next one.
Are you sure, honey?
I'll go down the stairs.
Okay.
Go down the stairs.
36 flights.
Oh, baby, you're never gonna fit that big old head inside this tight little hall.
It's not even 8 a.m.
That was chaotic.
It was very chaotic.
Hi, thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Bye. Not even 8 a.m. in New York City. Hi, good morning.
Thank you.
Concrete jungles where dreams are made of.
Come on, the originals. The original
Hey,
dolls.
it's the original tea.
Veterans.
OG tea.
Come on, veterans.
It's the All-Star season.
First generation.
First generation.
Jose's second generation. Aldo's third.
Yes, Manito's fourth.
He was born in 2001, girl.
I was born in 2000.
Oh, same.
2001 offends me.
Girl, same thing.
Same thing. I'm 24, no 23.
Lord Jesus. Thank you, Sephora.
Let's go.
Watch out, guys.
Yeah. Hit me.
Oh. Are you okay? I'm gonna grab my bag.
You gonna hold it?
I got it.
Got it?
Let me add some humility to the vlog. Come on, girls. We love one size, right, everybody? That's why I'm here, Crystal. More than any other brand you're shooting. And we're getting that on camera, Sephora. This is the shoot.
Everything's gonna be amazing. You're gonna
We're
look
fun.
fabulous.
We're
No,
fun.
we love that. And you're the energy we need this way.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning.
Ronnie, say good morning.
Good morning. Look at my sweater.
Oh, wow, that's a good one.
Right?
That was a good one. That was a good one.
My best friend got it for me.
Oh, girl. You guys, today we are in New York City and we are shooting a national campaign with Sephora. My face is going to be in the Sephora windows all over every single Sephora in North America. I'm so excited and I'm gonna take you behind the scenes. This is my first big shoot that Sephora is throwing for us because we're the #1 setting spray or the #1 product in all Sephora. That's really exciting. Cheers to behind the scenes. Hello, hi, Daddy. Hello, hi. You're blue. I feel like this is the big reveal for the groom.
No. No.
Oh my god! You look so beautiful. He loves you. Oh my god. He's Daddy's gonna be there.
Are we ready to shoot?
He's wearing extra blush for Mario today. PatrickStarrr's flying in! Get the fuck up, girl! Hello, everybody! Good morning! I'm finally ready. So good to see you.
Hola.
Hi, hola, ¿cómo están?
Bien.
my god. Qué bella. Camila.
Patrick.
Nice to meet you. Camila is our photographer, photographer and director, and will be guiding you through this. Should be easy for a professional. Thank you. And you look amazing. Thank you.
There's so many.
Yes, Ursula.
I know Johnny got something with this overhead lighting. Turn that on. Turn that on. Not with this ugly lighting. You're late. You're late. The little brother. And that's why he's the youngest.
Someone a surprise makeover.
Let's have products from our brand.
Makeover from Mario.
That was it. Only at Sephora. Solamente en Sephora.
Founders.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, you guys! Oh my gosh, you guys! My face is back in Sephora. Artist experts, absolute legends. Oh, so cool! Doesn't this look so good?
My name is Peter. Really glad to meet you. By some people. This is the Founder Life. I hope you guys enjoyed all the craziness in the behind the scenes. Now you guys know why I was really in New York. With that being said, shout out to Sephora, shout out to all the amazing founders. Like, this never gets old. It's a dream come true to be representing not just makeup, but a movement of inclusivity. This is dedicated to all of you guys. I hope you guys are able to try the brand new Boucle Silk Airbrush Finishing Powder. It is the freaking best for blurring the skin. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Come on, Vanessa.
Oh, that's crazy.
Come on. Hey.
Not the two step.